Best performance all-season tires. Performance tires, as the name implies, are designed for performance. The best performance all-season tires will constantly outperform, regardless of the season or weather conditions. With them installed on your vehicle, you will not need to replace a separate tire in the summer or winter. These all-season tires hug the road for tight turns, provide faster acceleration, and improve braking. 1. Best performance tire for daily driving, Michelin Pilot Sport All-Season 4. The Pilot Sport All-Season 4 offers fantastic performance in both dry and wet weather conditions, as well as snow traction in wintry conditions. This makes it perfect for an everyday commute. Michelin Pilot Sport All-Season 4 provides consistent grip and little to no understeer in wet conditions. In dry handling, it offered excellent grip while turning and was progressive when pushed past the limit. It's just great. Tire specification, temperature, A. Rolling resistance, 9.69 kilograms per ton, kilogram T, 3 pmsf, No. Tread wear, 540, traction, A. Cost, starts around $190. 2. Best for overall high performance, Continental Extreme Contact DWS06 Plus. If you're searching for an ultra-high performance tire, this is a great choice for you. One cool feature of this UHP all-season tire is its Sport Plus technology, designed for quick steering response to enhance control during cornering, which consists of macro blocks and a strong 2-ply sidewall. The tire is also optimized for uneven tread wear resistance and road noise reduction. It also has a 50,000-mile manufacturer's warranty. Tire specification, temperature, A. Rolling resistance, 9.75 kilograms, T, 3 pmsf, No. Tread wear, 560, traction, A. Cost, starts around $135. 3. Best UHP all-season tires, Pirelli P0 All-Season Plus. The Pirelli P0 All-Season Plus offers a pretty decent performance but is best driven on dry roads. The tire included silica and polymers in addition to its already good tread compound. One drawback of the Pirelli P0 All-Season Plus is that it doesn't feature a 3 pmsf rating. However, winter sipping technology is present in the inboard blocks, eventually increasing the number of biting edges for maximum grip in winter conditions. Tire specification, temperature, A. Rolling resistance, 10.32 kilograms, T, 3 pmsf, No. Tread wear, 500, traction, A. Cost, starts around $130. 4. Best handling and maximum grip, Yokohama Advan Sport AS Plus. The Yokohama Advan Sport AS Plus performs exceptionally well in areas such as handling and grip. Despite its asymmetric tread patterns, the Yokohama Advan has large outboard shoulders that promote dry cornering, and intermediate blocks that improve handling response and lateral stability. These blocks are situated between the rib and shoulder blocks, hence the name. Tire specification, temperature, A. Tread wear, 440, traction, A. Cost, starts around $116. 5. Best budget all-season performance tires, Bridgestone Potenza RE980 AS+. Aside from being budget-friendly, the Bridgestone Potenza RE980 AS+ is easy to handle on wet roads, has good grip levels on dry roads, and has the best snow braking of all UHP all-season tires tested. The fact that this tire is more of an all-season tire than a UHP all-season tire is the thing that makes it less appealing. In the end, with the help of the 3D interlocking sipes for additional tread stability, the chamfered edges biting on its lateral slots provide more road contact during dry braking. Tire specification, temperature, A. Rolling resistance, 11.15 kilograms, T, 3 pmsf, No. Tread wear, 500, traction, A. Cost, starts around $170. If this video was very informative, go hit the subscribe button right now, and I'll see you in the next video.